Writing activity. Side. Good morning, class. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about abbreviations, acronyms, and initialisms. So first, what is acronym? All together read. Combining. Okay, what is IDK? Okay, it means I don't know. IDK stands for I don't know. DIY. Huh? Very good. Do it yourself. BRB. Very good. Be right back. Okay, LOL or LOL. Very good. Laugh out loud. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit. Cheers. And I'm home, home sweet home.